Today, we explore resolving team conflicts and rebuilding trust. Unresolved conflicts can fracture teams. We'll identify conflict causes, resolve disputes, and rebuild trust through collaboration. Let's dive into strategies that transform challenges into opportunities for stronger teamwork. Imagine your team is stranded on either side of a river, needing to rebuild a bridge while angry at each other. Ignoring anger or only arguing leaves the bridge and teamwork broken. Address both the task and conflict to succeed. This scenario highlights the importance of resolving issues to maintain team cohesion. Let's dive into diagnosing conflicts. In small groups, analyze scenarios like missed deadlines or creative disagreements. Identify the root cause. Is it task-related, emotional, or both? Consider the impact on trust and cooperation, and explore the emotions involved, such as feeling frustrated or ignored. This understanding is crucial for effective resolution. Let's dive into role-playing solutions. We'll act out conflict escalation, then practice resolution using I statements and active listening. Remember the mediation steps. Cool off, take perspectives, and focus on solutions. This hands-on approach helps us understand and apply effective conflict resolution strategies. To rebuild trust, we create a trust-building pact. Each group drafts actions like weekly check-ins to restore trust. Consistent communication is key. This approach ensures everyone feels heard and valued, fostering a supportive environment. By focusing on these actions, we can effectively mend relationships and strengthen team dynamics. De-escalate conflicts by pausing and breathing. Reframe issues. We're against the problem, not each other. Celebrate small wins to boost confidence and maintain accountability by asking, what can I do differently next time? Link these skills to real-world scenarios like workplace mediation, enhancing their practical application. Utilize a conflict resolution kit with prompt cards for paraphrasing and solution-focused language. Regular team check-ins help address disagreements proactively, ensuring issues are managed before they escalate. This strategy reinforces the skills needed to maintain harmony and trust within teams, fostering a collaborative environment. Let's assess our conflict resolution skills through role plays. Focus on using I statements, showing willingness to compromise, and proposing trust-building actions. Reflect on a conflict you've resolved. What strategies worked? This reflection helps us understand our growth in handling team conflicts effectively. For younger students, using puppets can help them express feelings and practice turn-taking. Older students benefit from analyzing real-world conflicts, like sports team disputes, to propose resolutions. These strategies cater to different age groups, enhancing their ability to resolve conflicts and rebuild trust effectively. Strong teams repair cracks instead of breaking. Next week, apply these skills in your group project. This lesson builds empathy, communication, and resilience, turning conflicts into opportunities for stronger teams.